Are you struggling to reach sub 10? Are you struggling to get that sub 20 solve that you've been reaching for months? Or maybe you're this insane solver that solves under 10 seconds and is crazy, like gets everything sub 10. Just kidding, I can't do that. Well, boy, are you in the right place, because I found the perfect website to go to. It's made by a kid named Caden, who averages 6.5 and also just happens to have a 4-second solve. But anyways, we're just gonna go to Google, put in cubehacking.com, click on the link, and you're gonna find a great website. And from here, you're just gonna put your name, your email address, and then you're gonna get a choice to select which event you want. There's a bunch. You got 2x2, 3x3, OH, square 1. After that, you're gonna put your video of your solves and your average, and then a reconstruction URL of all your solves. Now let's talk about the fun part. So here there are 3 levels of ordering. First, you got beginner. Coming at $10, you get a page of strengths and weaknesses, which looks like this. This is mine. And as you can see, it shows things you're good at, things you need to work on, what he wants you to learn, and what he wants you to practice. And this really helps. After that, you can go to advanced for just $10 more, and it comes with a schedule, which is by far my favorite part of this whole program. Basically, it tells you each day everything you have to do in each order, your goal, links to help you, which is just amazing. And this has helped me decrease my times from like 12 to 9 seconds. As you can see, we got all these routines and they're absolutely amazing. I have helped me so much. And you get a bunch of links from, of course, like J-Perm himself. And he has some rules like have fun, don't just do solves, cool stuff like that is helpful to know. And oh boy, now is the pro level. And with this, it's $10 more, $30 in total, and it comes with a video as well as everything else.
The 4 cross pieces are here, 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 and 1 in the back here. You can actually just split it up from the front like that and solve it, which actually saves 1 extra move, and it makes it so it's all left-handed moves, so you don't have to re-grip your hands. When you're facing right here, the best way to do it is actually like this. You go R prime, U, and then to solve it right here, you do this cool thing. The algorithm I recommend, there's 2 of them, is like this. You go like this, you go wide R, and then you cancel into soon like this. But when inserting the pair, you do a wide move like this, and you finish it off like that.
And just saying, these are 20-minute videos. They're great. They're just like regular YouTube videos, music, everything. It's just great. And as you can see, these times have really helped me and this like progress. I get so many good times now. I'm able to post on my channel, and yeah, it's just awesome, especially because he's such a good cuber. I would definitely recommend this. It was definitely one thing that I'm so grateful for. He does it like he was sick when he did it too, so you just can't ask for a better person. And yeah, that's what I got to say. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go buy your cubing critiques, it'll be in the description, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.